Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Knippenberg and I'm out on my deck because it's such a beautiful day. I wanted to share something really special with you. As you know, this Friday we're going to have our end of the year Kindergarten Got Talent show. And so I wanted to share something that I have been working on. One of my hopes and dreams this year, when we created our hopes and dreams at the very beginning of the year, you had to think of something that you wanted to get really good at, or maybe something you wanted to try. And so something that I've been trying during this stay-at-home time is I've been learning how to play the guitar. So I've been teaching myself how to play the guitar. And I practiced by playing a song that was one of my favorites when I was younger. It came from a special cartoon show that I used to watch, and it's called the More Song. And so I'm going to kind of show you my talent, and then you guys can think of what you might want to do this Friday when we all get together. So this is called the More Song. And remember, I'm just learning how to play. I might make a mistake, and that's okay. I'm just going to keep going and try my best. All right, are you ready? Here we go. If you smile a little more, and I smile a little more, the whole wide world would be a happier place by a whole lot more. If you laugh a little more, and I laugh a little more, the whole wide world would be a happier place, oh, by a little bit more. Yay! I hope you enjoyed the video, and I can't wait to see what you'll be working on for your talent. Bye! Have a great day!